What's up, everybody? Dell here from the Southwestern Outdoorsman. We're gonna do a quick unboxing video of the Backcountry fuel box. If you like what you see, go ahead. You can order it right here. Follow the link through below on the screen at the end of the video. And yeah, let's see what's in here. This is my first time getting through one of these, so I'm excited to see what's all in them. You know, as a hunter, fisherman, just outdoorsman, it's great to see the different snacks you can throw in your backpack. Because you know, I'm a big boy and I'm always hungry, so. Let's see what we got here. Whew. So we got our little card, all the different snacks. Oh, this is actually gives you discounts on everything, so that's kind of cool. It's really cool. So 10, 15 to 25% off. Let's see what we got here. We got a couple of Yes bars. Looks like protein bars. We have a cookie. Can't go along with that. Some good stuff. We got meat. Some meat sticks, or these Apex Backcountry teriyaki and jalapeno. That's pretty cool. It's really cool. And it says there's like elk and bison on the back of it. That's really cool. Got another cookie, a Supernola. I'm not too sure what that is, but that's kind of cool. Some trail truffles, and then we got some hydration. So we got some little hydration packets. Always good to stay hydrated. And a Sasquatch fuel cactus bowl. Oh, that's cool. This is one of these freezer dried. Like we add hot water and all that, so instant meals. That's gonna be great for throwing in my backpack on some of the backpack trips I have coming up. Overall, this is great. You know, this is a monthly subscription, so these subscriptions go anywhere from $25 to $30. Just the bigger the subscription, obviously, the more stuff you get. So yeah, this is awesome. I would highly recommend. You know, look at all this loot I got here. So I would highly recommend getting this. You know, it's great to always, it's great to always have some stuff in your backpack when you're hunting. So, like this video if this was helpful. Follow the link below if you want to order yourself a Backcountry fuel box. And, you know, let's get to eating.